Thank you for purchasing the Furrion Aurora outdoor television. We'll take you through some of the basic guidelines for mounting your new Furrion TV as well as initial setup. First, your TV must be installed a safe distance away from any water source. For best viewing, we recommend that you install it in a shaded environment. Avoid installing the TV where the screen is facing direct sunlight. The ideal location is in one place where the TV is shaded by structures or under a patio cover or gazebo. Your Furrion Aurora TV offers multiple connection options. You can choose one or more of the connections to operate your TV. To access the connections, unscrew the thumb screws and open the media bay door. After all connections are completed, lead the cables downwards through the duct at the bottom of the media bay door. Then, close the media bay door and retighten the thumb screws. Now, connect the TV's power cord to a GFCI-protected AC outlet with an in-use waterproof cover. Your remote control is powered by 2 AAA batteries. Turn the remote over and remove the battery cover. Place the AAA batteries into the battery compartment with the plus and the minus ends facing as indicated. Replace the cover. Now, press the power button on the side of your TV or on the remote control to turn on the TV. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the initial setup. To connect to a wireless network, press the Quick Settings button. Then select Connection, Network Connection Settings, then Wi-Fi Connection. The TV will search for available networks. Then select the network router you wish to connect to and enter the password for that router. You can then download your preferred apps to enjoy your favorite movies and shows. Thank you for watching.